Welcome to Quiz Bubbly. It's time for Alphabet Speed Quiz. Think fast, shout out to your best answers, and see how many you get before the timer ends. Ready? Let's go. Round 1. Name a color that starts with R. Red, rose, ruby. Round 2. Name a brand that starts with Y. Yamaha, YouTube, Yahoo. Round 3. Name a country that starts with an A. Australia, Austria, Argentina. Write your answer in comments. Round 4. Name a famous city that starts with C. Cairo, Chicago, Cape Town. Round 5. Please subscribe to Quiz Bubbly for such exciting quizzes. Name a tech brand that starts with N. Nokia, Netflix, Nvidia. Round 6. Name a social media app that starts with I. Instagram, Imgur, Imeshich. Round 7. Name a sport that starts with S. Soccer, swimming, squash. Round 8. Name a dessert that starts with E. Donut, dessert, cake, Danish. Round 9. Name a luxury brand that starts with L. Louis Vuitton, Lamborghini, Lexus. Round 10. Name a country that starts with T. Turkey, Thailand, Tunisia. Round 11. Name a food that starts with P. Pizza, pasta, pancake. Write down your answer in the comments. Round 12. Name an animal that starts with H. Horse, hippo, hamster. Round 13. Name a company that starts with E. Epson, Emirates, eBay. Round 14. Name a food that starts with K. Kebab, kiwi, kichdi. Round 15. Name a celebrity that starts with J. Justin Bieber, Johnny Depp, Jennifer Lopez. Round 16. Name a fruit that starts with O. Orange, olive, oats. Round 17. Name a brand that starts with U. Uber, Uniqlo, Ubisoft. Round 18. Name a place that starts with ya. York, Yokohama, Yosote. Round 19. Name a company that starts with G. Google Gucci Delit. Round 20. Name an animal that starts with WA. Wolf, whale, walrus. Round 21. Name a brand that starts with Z. Zada, Zoom, Zamato. Round 22. Name a word that starts with Q. Queen, quick, quiet. Round 23. Name a company that starts with V. Vietnam, Venezuela, Vatican. Round 24. Name a brand that starts with X. Xerox, Xbox, Xfinity. Round 25. Name a food that starts with C. Chicken, chocolate, cheese. Name a brand that starts with A. Apple, Adidas, Amazon. Name a city that starts with M. Miami, Madrid, Milan. Name a company that starts with P. Pepsi, PayPal, Porsche. Name a fruit that starts with L. Lemon, lychee, lime. Name a food that starts with N. Noodles, nachos, nuggets.